Hi, welcome to Travels with the Russells.
Morning.
Well, today we're going to give you a review of the Tsokkos, I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyway,
Yeah.
Paradise Holiday Village. So this is a 4-star resort, and we're going to give you our honest opinion. And come and have a look around with us. If you haven't seen it, have a look at the room review. It'll either be before or after this video, so have a look at that and see what we think. I can tell you now, it's not that good.
No.
Alright, see you in a minute.
Well, the sun's arising in the morning light, grabbing our bags, we're ready for a flight. Got the map laid out wherever we go. Cyprus calls our names, it's the place we love so. From the UK skies
Kind of higher bikes and things here. Huge car park. We've got the reception area, which is the only place you can get reliable Wi-Fi. Although it says Wi-Fi available in all the hotel, it doesn't work anywhere except in here. So you've got, you know, massage chairs and water. Your holiday desks. Little library of books. And I've got the reception area. The gardens are nice enough, and the pool area is nice enough, or the pools. Looks like plenty of sunbeds. Pool bar area. Stage for the evening entertainment. I'm going to cut this short, I'll get copyright striked. Entertainment programme. Oh, table tennis. Enthralling. And then we've got a mini market. Selling all your essentials, your sun hats and your sunscreens and bits and bats, tobacco and ice creams. The outside of the restaurant area. There is an inside part to the restaurant, pretty similar to this. The bar area that hasn't opened yet. Tell you what I will show you. That's what's on the all-inclusive drinks. So there you go, drinks prices. So it's all in blocks, everything's in blocks, there's no actual hotel as such. These that they call things like junior garden suites. Up ahead here we have the volleyball court. You can hire equipment from the reception area, so things like tennis rackets and volleyballs and stuff like that you can hire. We've got a sports court, tennis, looks like to me.
Yep.
People playing football in it.
Volleyball court.
Children's play area, which I would guess has seen much better days. I think if any kids go on there, you're probably likely to get splinters and splints. Not only will it be hot, but a lot of the wood looks splintery. Not in the best condition. Yeah. As I say, I'm gonna get
Spells up your bum.
yeah, definitely gonna get splinters. The mini kids club. Oh, should we say the mini kids club hut? Everything just looks shabby and uncared for. I'm sure it's fine, but
Like big nails on kids. I mean,
yeah.
it's just.
So that's the
not
kids club.
acceptable.
Yeah. Julie's right, that's not acceptable, is it? Some of these look a bit dated, nearly as old as me. This here is the entrance to the gym. If you're interested in going to the gymnasium. Huge car park in the gymnasium. Fair enough. Broken. Some weights. Yeah. Not the best equipped gym in the world, I don't think.
No, I
Got the fitness room. So this will be where they do yoga and platelets and that kind of thing. Just an empty room, really. We've built a beach right outside the hotel. The beach is lovely. Safe waters, plenty of people in there. Soft white sands. So Nissi Beach. That's it, please. Tsokkos.
That kind of sausage. This is nice then. It's got the bacon.
Baked beans and fried bread. Boiled eggs. Very good. Cheese and biscuits. Various dips and salads. It's nice, yeah. Bit of evening meal. Ready. We've got
Wow.
mashed potatoes. Rice with bell peppers.
That's good too.
Yeah. Chicken chassis. It's nice.
Roast beef with orange and mint. Rather strange.
Well, there you go. Nice. Roast beef. Vegetable satay.
Salute.
Satay.
Yeah. Vegetables. Chef dinner. Yeah.
Yes. Bit of traditional Greek. Fish. Cream sauce. Pasta. Okay.
French
Okay,
fries.
chips. And finally, fried fish.
Fried fish.
Interesting. It's Kitty's Carnicer. Spaghetti bolognese. Oh yeah.
Oh, pancake.
Nice.
Pancake. Yeah. Chicken
Nuggets
nuggets.
for the
Pepperoni.
kids. Spaghetti bolognese.
Yeah. Very nice.
Vegetarian. Spare ribs.
Good evening.
Good evening. That's your fruit. And desserts. So that was our review of the Tsokkos Paradise Village Hotel. So we've shown you around. What do we think? Well, first of all, it's definitely not 4-star.
No, definitely not.
It kind of borders on 2, 3, possibly. The condition of the rooms is disgraceful, really.
Yeah.
Not acceptable. They're dirty. The rest of the hotel is okay, but you know, the pool areas and the location, access to the beach is all fantastic.
Yeah, it is. It's really good. Yeah.
But as I say, it's tired. It needs some work.
TLC and a good clean, doesn't it?
The kids' play area
Oh, that's
is a
really bad.
health hazard.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want my kids playing there.
No.
Well, there you go. But then again, my kids are in the 40s, so. But my grandkids, no, great grandkids, maybe one day.
Yeah.
So that's our review. Again, just trying to be honest. If you're thinking of booking here, if you're looking at things like booking.com, take things with a pinch of salt.
Yeah, 'cause it's not right, is
It does say things like inside swimming pool. There isn't one. It says things like air conditioning throughout. Yes, there is air conditioning, it's just not
work.
switched on. That's
Yeah.
all. So I would assume that in the heat of the August time, it will be an extra charge that you'll have to pay for it. So anyway, thank you ever so much for watching. If you've got any comments or if you've even stayed here before, please leave comments below and we'll get back to you. Thanks ever so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Well, the sun's rising in the morning light, grabbing our bags, we're ready for a flight. Got the map laid out on where will we go. Cyprus calls our names, it's the place we love so. From the UK skies to